Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change Instagram text font. Changing fonts on Instagram sounds like a built-in feature, but it's actually more of a phone trick than an Instagram setting. What I tried was going into my device's theme or font settings instead of the app itself. On most Android phones, I open themes or display settings, then browse through available fonts. I pick one that looked a bit different, nothing too crazy, and hit download, then apply. Once it's applied system-wide, I jump back into Instagram and you'll notice some of the text and messages take on that new style. It's subtle, but definitely noticeable. Now here's the catch. Not everything changes. Instagram still keeps its own default font for certain parts of the app, so don't expect a full makeover. Quick tip, if the font looks too fancy, it might actually make messages harder to read, so maybe don't go full calligraphy unless you're feeling dramatic. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.